Right, we are back at the vessel. How cool is this? Just look at that. Absolutely wonderful to be back here. Fabulous. Let's head up there. So the vessel's been closed for quite a while due to a lot of people doing suicide here, believe it or not. Right, okay, we're going to head up this way. This is so cool. I'm glad I can bring this to you guys. Just keep climbing up and up and up. Just trying to work out where we go. Used to be able to just keep going up and up. It looks as though there's only certain routes now that you can actually take to get up the vessel. Hope you're enjoying day one, guys. Here in the Big Apple. Wow, only about 3 levels up, and already getting out of breath a little bit. Fabulous, really, really good view. A fabulous view as we look all the way up. Ooh. Right, are you guys out of puff like I am at the moment? Just watching at home. But yeah, loving it. So glad the vessel's open again. Right, let's continue the climb. We're on level 5 now. Amazing. I think this is one of my favourites to do while you're in New York. And you can see what they've put now to actually stop you jumping off. So I'm so glad they've managed to reopen it. And we're getting fabulous views there, looking over Hudson Yard trains and the Hudson River. Probably a pretty good view there of the vessel. And look at Glynn. Glynn's loving the filming today. Sun's coming out again. It's getting warm now. Beautiful day. Alright, we've got 2 more levels. And then we're at the top. Yeah, pretty incredible shot there, guys. Not too busy at the moment, so the vessel opens at 10 AM. Tickets start at $10. Cheaper to do it on the line. Right, level 6. Unit up to 7. We're getting there. Almost there, 1 more level. Folks, and we're there. It is a shame they don't let you right to the very top anymore. Can't see the full reason why. I suppose because they can't get these nets fully up there. But yeah, look at that, wow. We've got a beautiful view. all the way down into the vessel there. So glad we managed to do this. Yeah, well worth the journey up. You can see the lift going up there. We are at the top of the vessel. Well, very thankful when we called them years ago that we managed to get to the top, and we've got videos and photos of that, so make sure you check them out. Right, let's have a look at our final look down at the vessel. Pretty amazing. So, that is the vessel. Really enjoyed it. It's well worth coming. Even though you can't get to the top anymore. But, I think we've had a big thumbs up for the vessel. Really, really good. Still heading down, we're on D3. And we're going to head down to the right. So when it first opened, you used to be able to go either way. A lot of them are now blocked off. But yeah, this is so much fun. And we're almost down at the bottom. Let's have another look up there. Wow, look at that. Incredible, eh? Wow, that's amazing. We've got a good view there of the elevator all the way to the top. And I really, really like that shot. Look at that. Wow. And there we go, guys. We are now at the bottom. Hope you've enjoyed the tour of the vessel. Right, vessel ticked off. We're now going to take you guys down the High Line, which is an elevated railway line down to Chelsea. It's going to be beautiful. Come with us. Okie doke, let's walk the High Line from the Hudson Yards into Chelsea. Really enjoy this walk. And it's, yeah, such a beautiful day to do it, so come with us. Let's flip the camera so you can see what we're doing. So as you can see, it's an elevated railway line that cuts through all the buildings. Loads and loads of seats here. And some really good art displays. There's like a candle there. And then of course the further we get along, the amazing views that you're going to get of the Hudson Yards. Yeah, I love it here. Really, really like this.